Little known fact, before the crowbar was invented, crows just simply drank at home. You're welcome.
Serving in the Army in 2012, Jeremy met Ashley. They got married, had baby Sam. Jeremy got medically released from the Army, and this brings us up to today. Pretty sure that you're pretty big. It's cool though, isn't it? Look, it's got flames.
We are in desperate need of a new measuring tape. Did you find one, babe?
I threw the last one into the woods.
Yeah, you hucked it in the woods.
Well, not totally in the woods.
And then the one now that we're using is like all nicked up and just cuts your fingers.
Yeah, it's pretty old. This
Yeah.
one, look at this. This is what we're looking for. Look at the size of the numbers.
Holy mackerel,
And
that's
look, it just
awesome.
stays out.
Oh,
It's cool,
nice.
eh? Look at that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's a good tape right there.
Right.
16s, nice big numbers. There's none of that metric garbage on it we don't need. Good to go.
Perfect. He's checking to see how far it can go in the middle of the hall here. You know, we're doing the roof. We need to make sure it goes far enough.
Yeah, that's not that far, like 9 feet.
9
It's over
feet.
9 feet. 9 feet it held.
Oh, that'll be good though.
I like how that holds though.
Yeah, that's cool.
Holy, look at this. That's a socket, eh?
That's huge.
Let me see what's in it.
It's just a socket. 12 point.
What the heck would you ever need one that big for?
For a big truck.
Big truck.
Look at that. Eh?
Yeah, that's cool. Both
Eh?
sides.
Oh yeah, and it's like
Yeah.
glows in the dark. We can
Come
work all
on.
night.
You're in your glory today. Show them what else you grabbed.
Candy.
Candy.
Only one thing.
I'll get
jerky?
some jerky because I appreciate this too. We come in here, we get a measuring tape and candy.
Yeah. She loves her meat. Couple at 110.
Alrighty.
Just hanging out the roof. Just having a snack. I wish.
Dad.
Wish there was a McDonald's on this roof.
Dad.
I'd buy something.
Why would there be McDonald's on a roof?
There should be. There should be a McDonald's helicopter.
I would order Happy Meal.
Probably not fully square.
See if I can tack it. It has it on those edges.
Oh, right. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, got a little bit of a problem here. So the company that shipped out the metal only sent us enough foam. You notice they put the foam at the bottom. Keeps the bugs out, all those things like that. The foam strips, they only sent enough for one side. Actually, not even quite enough for one side. So, and I think it's the same for the foam strip that'll go at the top of the cap. So it's a real pain to put that foam in later. It's much easier to put it in now. So I can't go any further. I have to go get that foam. So at least I got this side started with the wood and the drip edge up there. But I don't want to go any further without that foam. So I have to go get that. So I'm going to go get that foam before I can go any further. So that sucks. Another thing, just to note about, a couple people asked about sheathing. You don't need sheathing with a metal roof like this. So just 2x4 strapping, nice and strong to carry snow. And that's every 16. It could probably be every 24, but we go every 16, especially on a 412 pitch. That's about the least pitch I would want out here with that. But 412 would be okay. There's lots of places with that in New Brunswick. So that's what's up with that. Don't need the sheathing. And also with the poly, I always go vertical with it. And the people argue about horizontal or vertical. If I was doing shingles, I would do horizontal. But with but on the metal, I go vertical with it, and that way, especially when you're doing it alone, you're not walking all over the paper and everything with strapping and not sheathing, right? It would be a real pain in the butt. So, and it's fine that way. And the reason why you put poly under the metal is the metal can condensate, and that can drip down into the attic. So that's why it's good to have some poly under there. So that's what's up there. I think those are the couple things a couple people asked of it. So that's that. But anyways, we don't have the foam, so we can't do any more right now. So I got to get some foam and then continue with this when I get it. Okay, before we head out to go get that foam, though, I'm gonna check the trail cam, see if there's any game coming in. Hopefully there's some deers. Hey?
Hopefully.
But we'll see. Hopefully there's a moose or something. We've heard one in the area and there's signs of it. The bears will be coming back out soon too.
Yeah.
We don't have the same amount of bears here, but we do have bears here. Lake is our last spot, but there's still lots of bears here. So we're gonna go see what's up. They see ground. Hey?
Yeah.
That's
Yay.
sweet. Still pretty deep through here. Okay. Hopefully it's not dead. Nope, it's still alive. Alright, let's see what's on here.